thanks for letting me audition.
You know, Rosie, being a superhero is not for everybody. You need to have really special skills. Like flying!
I don't know, Bubbles. You know, I'm really not much in the flying department.
Come on, Rosie. You just need a running start.
You know, I'm really not much in the running department either.
Just try, Rosie. For me, please.
Okay, Bubbles, okay.
Huh? Don't be discouraged, Rosie. You don't have to be good at flying to be a successful superhero.
Well, that's a relief.
Not if you have super strength. Punch through this wall and show us what you got.
Oh, I don't know if I'm cut out to be a Powerpuff girl.
Nonsense. We just have to hit on something you're good at. I've got it. Ice breath.
Beg your pardon?
It's easy. Just concentrate, think icy thoughts, and then blow, like this. Now you try it.
Okay, here goes nothing. Blossom, are you all right?
Yeah, I'm okay. Well, thanks for auditioning, Rosie.
Maybe I should have told him about my heat ray vision.